Hey, Zena. Or, hey, Foca. Sorry. No, it's my freezer. My freezer is on. This is all laundry in here right now. I haven't added cans yet. Hi, Brielle. Thank you for the heart me and thank you for all the gifts. Where's Polly? I missed the pores. Oh my god. Hi, Britt. I wonder if I missed Polly's comment because I'm missing a lot of people's comments. Let's go really fast. Hi, Cookie. Cookie, you made a squeeze account? It says squeeze me. Thank you, Meek. Voca. Oh, I'm gonna need to follow you. You're gonna have to remind me. Thank you so much. Girl, you know you're gonna get that right back. Excuse me. Hi, Squeeze ASMR. Yes, I'll honor that. I know Zena sent the 10, but if somebody sends $2, we can sell out aroma. Hey, Nessa. Thank you for the heart me. Jazz, I missed you. I haven't seen you lately. Y'all, my live last night was like top tier. That was my top 3 because I literally bought stuff for the live, for my next live, and I had a little bit of extra stuff for like a Christmas live. I sold out of everything last night. Y'all did the biggest like ever. I think we're about to sell out tonight too. Oh shit. Kelly, hi, thank you for gifts. Oh my god. You're out of the country for that? You missed last night? Because it was so good. Hi, Hilda. The Cash App is Gigi Loves Texas. Welcome in. Welcome in, everybody. Welcome in, chat. This is a safe space. Hi, Nisky. This is a safe. Any more laundry powder? I have one $6 Foca. Hi, Quinetta. Oh my god. Hi, Quinetta. Yeah, chat, make sure y'all follow because I'm almost to 18K. Honestly, I haven't been doing lives that I didn't go live for like 2 weeks in November. So I feel like I would have been at 18K already. Pisces! Yes, I did. And so we sold out aroma. Thank you so much, Scorpio. So I have 24 cans left and one $6 Foca to sell out of powder. I feel like we can sell out. I feel like we can, but it's up to y'all. It's up to the chat. Let me add some more sponges. Cause okay, I added 5 more sponges. Sending for Foca. Thank you. Oh my god. I got 24 cans left and we're gonna sell out of powder. Literally. This is crazy. Y'all did the big one again? Again, chat? This is why my chat's amazing. Thank you, Pisces, for the gifts. I'm sorry about missing some comments. I'm really not ignoring y'all. Because I'm running back and forth, opening this product. Thank you so much. Yes. Now this, I can't wait for this. Okay. Hey, Cleans by K. Hey, Bubbly Mommy. Yeah. Hey, Maddie. The pics. Yes, I was surprised. I'm like, how do you have this? Bubbly Mommy has pictures of my stock from last year. Honestly, that could have been earlier this year because that's where I was renting that house earlier this year. I'm like, what the heck? This is getting thick. But I have liquids to go in. I feel like this needed the pool, but I was not gonna clean that. Not the water. Oof. I'm literally sold out of all my liquids and all my dish soap. Only thing I have left is those 24 cans. I think I need to add a liquid to this.